Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Hope so all of you will be fine and doing well. Welcome to all of you guys in Easy English channel. Today we will learn about adjective, which is a part of word classes as well as part of speech. Here is outline that we can cover in our today lecture about definition, example and different types of an adjective. Let's start our today lecture. What is meant by adjective? Adjective also called as a describing words. What is meant by describing words? The word which used to add meanings of a noun or a pronoun. It means that noun and pronoun used as a subject or a object of the sentence is called adjective. For example, Sarah is a clever girl. Here girl is a noun and a clever is a adjective which describe a noun like girl. Clever girl is an example of adjective. There are 8 types of adjective. First one is adjective of quality. What is meant by adjective of quality? Describe the quality of a noun or a pronoun is called adjective of quality. For example, he is a good boy. Here, a good shows the quality of a boy. Boy is a noun, so shows the quality of a noun is called adjective of quality. The next one is adjective of quantity, which describe the quantity of a noun or a pronoun, in which we can say that adjective of quantity shows that how much. For example, a little knowledge is a dangerous. Here, a little shows the adjective of quantity means how much knowledge is a dangerous. A little knowledge is a dangerous. The next one is adjective of number. By the names, it shows that describing a number of a noun and pronoun. To understand it, we can divide it into 2 types. For example, the hand has 5 fingers. Here shows that number 5 fingers. There are 2 types: definite numerical adjective and indefinite numerical adjective. First one is a definite numerical adjective. Definite means that which shows the countable things, which shows the exact number of a person. He gives me 5 mangoes. Here shows the exact numbers of mangoes. How many mangoes? 5 mangoes is called definite. And indefinite adjective, which shows does not exact number of a person or a thing. For example, all human must die, in which we can consider all human, not individually, is the example of indefinite pronoun. The next one is distributed adjective. By the names shows that one by one separated. For example, we can call it as refer to a members of a group individually, as every word of it is false. This shows that every word individually shows that it is false. Example of distributive adjective. And the next one is demonstrative adjectives. By the name shows that pointing out to something, pointing out to some person, to some noun, pronoun. For example, this book is mine. Here shows that this shows book. Book is a noun. Demonstrate pointing that this book is mine. The next one is I hate such a things, in which such is a demonstrative adjective which pointing that such things I hate. The next one is possessive adjective, which shows the possession. Ownership is called possessive adjective. For example, its tail is long. Here shows its tail, show the possession. And your house shows that possessive adjective which demonstrate or elaborate a noun is called possessive adjective. Next one is interrogative adjectives. By the name shows that for asking question to someone, like whose book is this, in which shows that whose is an interrogative adjective, book which modify the noun. And one more example is what kind of man are you. It means that what is an interrogative adjective which shows the kind of man. The next one is exclamatory adjective. By the exclamation shows that sudden surprise, to show strong feelings. For example, what a piece of work is man. Here shows such as, for example, what a piece of work is a man. Here shows a sudden surprise feeling. What a piece of work is man. And then one more example to understand. What an idea, in which shows the exclamation of adjective. And so we can cover all our outlines of today lectures. And that is all from my side. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.